Hello guys, today we have this Acer Aspire Desktop X3812. So this is quite powerful, even though it's a bit aged desktop machine. It works pretty well and it's designed for Windows 7. Recently we had our customer try to update to Windows 10, and the whole Windows update installation procedure didn't went as expected, and machine now is working oddly and crashes from time to time, and also when he tries to copy something from one folder to another folder, the Explorer process crashes and restarts itself. I'll show you guys what the symptoms are, and then I will explain you what we will do with this machine to bring it to fully functioning order. Alright, so let's demonstrate. For example, if we have let's say one of the files in one folder, and we want to copy it into let's say desktop, and we can see how Windows Explorer has stopped working. Sign comes up, and we can see how the whole Windows Explorer will restart itself and load up again. Same thing happens if we want to copy file from one place, one immediately crashes. So and here it is, and it restarts itself. So the reason for that was Windows update got crashed while it was trying to install Windows 10, and we have some bits of Windows 7 and some bits of Windows 10 on this operating system right now, which over here we can see that the interface of error message in Windows Update is completely different. It's not like Windows 7, which we know. This means this is another sign of Windows 7 and Windows 10 files merging together and crashing the whole Windows 7. So we can either try to repair these files or refresh and reinstall the whole operating system. In this case, I would prefer to do fresh operating system installation, as customers' data is not that much, and only particular application which they use is Microsoft Office, which we can install straight away, and after that restore all of the customers' data. This is straightforward procedure, which should take a couple hours, and when it's ready, we can return customer's machine to his place. So let's start with it. First, we will have to back up customer's data. The way how we will do it is with a service system, as we cannot rely on this operating system anymore. To back up data as it constantly crashes, and we want to make sure that all of the customer's data is backed up. Customer already provided us external hard drive, so it will be easier for us just back up data straight to the external drive and restore it afterwards. Let's go to the external drive as well. And we can load up our service system. Let's try again. So we need to boot from our external drive, just over here, and boot from our service system, just like this. Let's wait until the boot up process completes. So the system is over here. You can see the external Sega drive connected. It's pretty big drives, so we can just create another folder, backup, and start transferring everything onto it. We have two partitions on the internal drive. Customer already let us know that everything from the second drive is from the second partition is not important. So we just need to back up his user folder. Let's grab the whole user folder and start copying it. Right, so we're looking around 400 gigabytes of data which needs to be transferred and backed up. So we will just leave it until backing up is completes, and after that we will continue. We just completed copying the data from internal user folder into the backup folder on this backup drive. So next step would be to start with a system restoration. Okay, so now when operating system is loaded, we will launch up Acer Restore, which is in Acer e-recovery management application. This will allow us to restore it back to its Windows 7 out of factory condition. Okay, so this is the Acer e-recovery management. What we will choose is we will choose restore, and we want to completely wipe the drive. So we already backed up our data and systems and files, so we don't have to worry about any of the user's data. So we can safely continue with the process. Which usually takes a bit of time and a couple of restarts. So from here we will just agree with all the requirements. We accept that it will format and delete everything from the drive. So again, we backed up all of the data, so nothing to worry about it. And we will just leave it to go through the process. Okay guys, here it is, completed. Operating system is completely restored, and currently we are restoring customer data from his external hard drive into the internal hard drive, and in the same time we are updating the Windows. We just want to be sure that it's up to date, and all of the security updates are applied. So thank you very much guys for watching, and if you have any Windows or computer problems, give us a call. Our contact details are below.